Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Ezekiel Situmorang. On this occasion, I will present the CGR English document that I created previously. With you, virtually, I will start. Using reverse circuit equation for efficient parallel simulation of logic circuits. Uh, Number one, optimistic parallel circuit simulation. We will first address the problem of making a given synchronous digital circuits reversible and also generating its in inverse circuits. We then turn to the question of how to make combined use of the forward and reverse version of the input circuits in an optimistic parallel simulation setting. Number two, augmenting input circuits for reversibility. In the exemplar circuits, it is clear that two additional output bits are need in order to accurately preserve information about any state transition. These two additional bits EU1 and EU2 serve to record information about the most recent transaction, the received input value, and the source state. Number three, reversible truth table generation. We now present a simple algorithm that takes a truth table as input and finds the optimal number of additional bits needed to make a given truth table revolves. It also generates a correct assignment of values to the dead bits, thus generating a complete reversible version of the original input truth table. Uh, the reverse truth tables is trivially obtained by sweeping the input and output vectors of the augmented forward truth table. Augmented the reversible circuit by applying the reversible truth table generation algorithm table 2 on the truth table of the original circuit table 1. We obtain the reversible truth table given table 3. The corresponding reversible state diagram is shown in figure 3. The original circuits in thus and sent to generate two additional outputs E1 and E2. Note these two bits encode sufficient information to not only recover the previous state from the most recent transition, but also recover the input to the most recent transition. Addressing reverse circuit, since we now have reversible forward circuits, we can now generate the reverse circuit that can be used to undo rollback the execution of the original circuit. We will later use this reverse circuits in conjunction with generating reverse circuit. Since we now have a reversible forward circuit, we can now generate the reverse circuit that can be used to undo a rollback the execution of the original circuit. We will later use these reverse circuits in conjunction with the augmented reversible circuits to design of combined circuits that can be driven in forward and reverse direction at will. Enter simulator and synchronization. For parallel simulator of a large circuit, the circuit can be partitioned into parts, which parts simulated in different simulator. With one simulator per processor, signals spanning across simulators can be transferred as time-stamped events. Exchange among the simulators, for example, in Cadence Verilog XL simulation, the Verilog procedural interface can be used to realize inter-simulation synchronization. Problem: the title using reverse circuit execution for events or parallel simulation of logic circuits seems clear and informative. However, with additional context, it's challenging to identify and specific problems. If you have more details of specifics concerns about the title, please provide them and I'll do my best to assist you. Rolling back statistic. Here we have addressed the problem of correlation synchronizing circuits behaviors. However, additional work is needed to consider the effect of reverse circuits execution on circuit statistics models and correctly update the statistic during for rollback and optimistic processing. Since we now have a reversible forward circuit, we can now generate the reverse circuits. They can be used to undo rollback the execution of the original circuits. We will later use these reverse circuits in conjunction with the reversible circuits to design a combined circuits that can be driven in forward and reverse direction at will. Compare track table for inverse circuits of example circuits. CS the track table for reverse circuits is trivially obtained by swapping the input and output vectors of the augmented. Reversible circuits described in track table generation algorithm. Using this approach, the track table for the inverse circuits of or example circuits is shown table 4. Using the reverse track table, standard Boolean circuits generation algorithms can be used to generate an equivalent circuit which will constitute or desired reverse circuits. Conclusions: we presented a novel approach, challenge reverse execution for efficient parallel optimistic execution of multiple circuit simulator. Toward applying this approach, algorithms and methodology have been presented for the generation of inverse circuits for sequential and combinatorial circuits. Building on that technique has been described for transforming an input circuit in another equivalent circuit that is capable of both forward and reverse execution. It has been shown how the equivalent circuits can be used in a simulator independent fashion to efficiently synchronize optimistic parallel execution of multiple simulators, the circuits in forward during optimistic execution, and later driven in reverse direction and as needed whenever portion of Optimistic execution led to rollback to undo incorrect equation. Using the approach described here, it will be possible of efficiently interpret multiple commercial simulator in synchronize their execution using optimistic protocols such as time warp. This approach has the potential for automatically scratching the inherent parallelisms and compression of circuits simulated across multiple simulators. The novel aspect of approach is that access is not required to the source code of the simulators or the model. This has been a major challenge because traditional approach to parallelization typically require access to source code of either the simulator or model or both. Thank you. If there are mistakes and source means, I apologize and I express constructive suggestion and criticism so that it becomes my guide to better in the future. Thank you.